as I mentioned in my last video regarding Point Loma and Ocean Beach real estate report, I am doing just Ocean Beach, 92107. And why is that? Because I am comparing 2023 versus 2024. So let's dive into the statistics. Let's start with the homes. In 2023, there were 153 new listings on the market. In 2024, there was 185. That was an increase of 20.9% increase. Homes that went into escrow, 2023 was 93. Homes went into escrow in 2024 was 123. That was a 32.3% increase. Closed sales. In 2023, it was 92. In 2024, it was 120. That was a 30.4% increase. Days on the market. 2023 was 29. 2024 was 30. That was a 3.4% increase. Not bad. They pretty much stayed the same, which is what we saw in our statistics. Average sales price. In 2023, $2,022,112. In 2024, it was $1,966,253. That was a 1.2% decrease. Ocean Beach was the only zip code that was recorded with a slight decrease regarding values. Let's discuss condos and townhomes. 2023, there was 86 came on the market. 2024, there was 100. That was an increase of 16.3%. Pendings, homes that went into escrow. 2023 was 72. 2024 was 69. So that was a decrease of 4.2%. Again, Ocean Beach was the only one of the zip codes that I've been looking at that the town and condos were less in escrow than the year before. Homes that closed, 62 in 2023 and 75 in 2024. That's an interesting statistic because that was up 21.0%. So what does that say? The homes that did go into escrow closed. Days on the market. In 2023, it was 18 days. In 2024, it was 27. That was a 50% increase. What have I been saying all along? Townhomes and condos have been staying on the market longer than the year before. And the average sales price, 2023 was $797,397. And 2024, $797,289. It was zero change. They were basically identical. What does this all mean to you? Well, more homes are coming on the market, so buyers have more to choose from, which means for the sellers, you have to price your property accordingly, which is what I've been saying all along. If you want more information on the statistics or you want to talk about selling your home, feel free to give me a call. And remember, who you work with matters.